Hello friends, welcome to Developers Nation. I'm Aman Gupta. Today we are going to learn about border in CSS. So in this video we will learn about border properties. If you bold with simple text and paragraph representation in your website or in your projects, then we are going to get some amazing borders to decorate your text, headlines and paragraph with these cool border properties. The border property gives you the opportunity to play with your HTML resources, and you will get some cool looks by using this border property in your CSS document. So what is border? We use the border property to apply various styles and colors to an elements of border. Let's have a look code to understand it better. I am using Notepad++. This is an amazing text editor for designing web pages and editing documents. Guys, we are going to make HTML file, then we do CSS. So let's start this. First of all, HTML, then head tag, title is border in CSS, then type link, this is the style sheet, then type text/CSS, hyperlink to main CSS, which is our CSS document, then closing the head tag, opening the body tag. There are 3 line breaks I'm using to make some. I'm using 3 line breaks to BR, which is used for line breaking, so we can see some border properties, left some space on top. Then this is the paragraph tag, Developers Nation. Then I'm using H4 tag, which is heading for fourth heading. Developers Nation. Then I am using H5 or this is also Developers Nation because I am using border property, so it's not depend on text what are you I'm using. Then this is our HTML code, and we are using 4 different tags in this HTML. First is paragraph, then is H4 and H5, then BR. BR is used to make line breaks. This is tag does not contain any closing tag, and the H5 is second smallest heading tag in HTML, and the similar H4 is the third last smallest heading tag, and paragraph tag is just for use paragraph making. If you want to learn more about HTML, see our HTML tutorial on YouTube and my website page. As we know, you have to see this, save this file with .html format. If you don't do this, it will not work. Now let's make CSS file. So here is the CSS code. Write P and open curly braces. I'm using border style dashed for this paragraph, border width 2 pixel, border color blue, border radius 25 pixel, display inline, margin is 25 pixel, and padding is 15 pixel, guys. So this is same for H4 and H5. I'm just changing the style, which is H4 for then H5. So we are learn margin and padding in next tutorial, guys, so don't worry about that. So friends, this is our CSS code which style our HTML code. Here we are using border style and in paragraph h4 and so the border width and border radius in 2 pixel and 25 pixel. Okay, then we are using the 3 different color, which is blue for paragraph, pink for h4 and red for h5. So let's see our output, guys. So this is our output. So try this code with yourself. Open your notepad editor and play with this code. You will find all CSS code on my GitHub profile. Follow me on GitHub, Instagram. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.